This is how you can use GitHub Copilot to fix errors and even create the entire project with GitHub Copilot. I have not written any piece of code, any lines of code. It has written by the GitHub Copilot. Every line of code is written by the GitHub Copilot. And if there is error in the VS Code, error in the code of the project, I have just give a command to GitHub Copilot that run the project and check in the browser. If there is an error, please fix it. So it is fixing. Has opened the localhost in the VS Code itself in the sample browser, and here it is fixing. And here it is asking for to run a command. I'm just clicking the continue, and here it's automatic. It is checking. It's automatic checking the things it requires. So here the command is automatic running. See, command is automatically being run by the GitHub Copilot, and I have to do nothing. It automatically checking the errors in the sample browser and just fixing it by itself. So I have not written any line of code here, and I'm completely trying to develop it with GitHub Copilot itself.